Hey friends, welcome to today's episode. Have you ever heard about the ozone hole? For years we were told that it was one of the biggest environmental disasters in history, but now it's mysteriously shrinking. Is it because of government policies, scientific advancements, or is there something even bigger at play? Stay with me till the end, because today we will uncover the real truth behind the ozone hole mystery, including facts that you might not have heard anywhere else. Before we talk about the ozone hole, let's understand what the ozone layer actually is. The ozone layer is a thin shield of gas located in the stratosphere, about 10 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It acts like Earth's sunscreen, absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Without this layer, life on Earth would be exposed to deadly radiation, leading to increased skin cancer, cataracts, and damage to ecosystems. The ozone layer is constantly being created and destroyed through a natural process called the Chapman cycle. This cycle involves 4 key steps. First, the formation of oxygen atoms. High-energy UVC rays break apart oxygen molecules into 2 separate oxygen atoms. Second, the formation of ozone. These free oxygen atoms then react with another oxygen molecule to form ozone. Third, the absorption of UV radiation. Ozone molecules absorb UVB and UVC rays, breaking down into oxygen molecules and atoms again. Finally, the recycling process. This cycle repeats, maintaining a balance in ozone levels under normal conditions. In the 1980s, scientists from the British Antarctic Survey made a shocking discovery: a massive hole in the ozone layer above Antarctica. It was caused by chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons, commonly found in refrigerants, air conditioners, and aerosol sprays. These chemicals release chlorine, which destroys ozone molecules in the atmosphere. To put it in perspective, 1 chlorine atom can destroy 100,000 ozone molecules. Scientists warned that if nothing was done, the ozone hole could expand worldwide, exposing millions to dangerous radiation. Governments acted fast. In 1987, countries around the world signed the Montreal Protocol, an international treaty that banned CFCs and similar ozone-depleting substances. This was one of the most successful environmental agreements in history, with almost every country following the ban. Over time, industries adapted, switching to safer chemicals like HFCs or hydrofluorocarbons. So was that the end of the ozone hole problem? Not exactly. Here comes the mystery. By the 2000s, satellite data showed that the ozone hole was shrinking. Scientists were relieved but also puzzled. The recovery was happening faster than expected. One explanation is that banning CFCs was highly effective. But here's the catch. CFCs stay in the atmosphere for decades, so even after the ban, the ozone hole should have taken longer to recover. So, what else is happening? There are some hidden factors that many people don't talk about. 1. Climate change. Rising global temperatures affect stratospheric wind patterns, helping the ozone layer recover faster in some areas while delaying it in others. 2. Volcanic eruptions. Some volcanic eruptions release particles into the atmosphere that can either destroy or protect ozone depending on their composition. 3. China's secret CFC factories. A 2018 report found that illegal factories in China were still producing banned CFCs, slowing the ozone layer's recovery. The good news? Scientists predict that by 2060, the ozone layer will fully recover. But that doesn't mean we can relax. New threats like HFCs, used as CFC replacements, contribute to climate change, meaning we still need to work on solutions. Visual, final summary with inspiring visuals.